Hey everyone, this is Alex, USA Days, and this is introductory video to my new course, REST API Testing with Postman. Now, a little bit about me. I've been in QA for quite a while, 12 plus years now, and I've started through a bootcamp program. Then I worked in different industries as a QA engineer. I worked in a semiconductor, mix of hardware and software. I worked in medical API. I worked in blockchain and web-based gaming and crypto, and right now I'm in banking. So different industries throughout my years. I worked as a junior, mid-level, senior QA engineer. I worked as a QA manager, QA lead, full stack QA engineer, and right now I'm doing QA automation. But this course is for anyone who wants to start a QA career, and I think starting and learning API testing is a very, very good way to get going. It is in demand, API is everywhere, and this course, REST API Testing with Postman, is designed to get you from the beginner to the mid-level, doing API testing, understanding what API is, and use Postman as the main tool to test your APIs. Now, within the course program itself, I have multiple modules, and then within modules, we'll have different topics related to these modules, but overall, the program going to look something like this. So the roadmap here, we will start with the first video that will be Introduction to API, which is not this video. This is just overall overview of the course that is upcoming. Then we're going to talk about what is REST API. Then we will talk about HTTP protocol, HTTP methods, HTTP status, header and body. Then we will do introduction to API documentation, how to read it, how to work with it. Then we will have Postman introduction, installation of Postman as a tool. Then we'll do API testing with Postman. And we will do advanced API testing within Postman, and then we will do some automation with Postman. And that will wrap the whole course. I think it's going to give you a very good understanding of API. By the end of the course, you'll be able to proceed to my other courses. And if you want to pick up automation with Playwright, there's also a section on automating API with the Playwright automation tool itself. But Postman and testing REST API is in demand. It's very, very in demand in the industry. So learning this is critical skill if you would like to be quality assurance engineer. Okay, so that's it with the introduction, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.